Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a room tour for you guys. It's gonna be quick, short, and simple. I really didn't want to do an intro because this is the way I'm looking. Mirror is dirty. Anywho, we're just gonna get started. So, when you first walk in, you see the mirror. And this is just so I can see myself after a long day, or I can see myself before leaving for class or work or anything like that. Also, my desk is like right in front of the door. This is my desk. I got it from my job, Dream Home Interiors, and I put a little fur rug underneath. Just some school books and papers and stuff. Then I got this little bucket from Ross, and I just put random stuff in there. I got computer chargers, extra wallflowers, papers, all of that stuff. So on my desk, I just have my phone right there, my laptop, water bottle, and this little thing I have pens and stuff. Have a candle that's almost done. This is from IKEA, 50 cents. This cup holder, and this is not a cup holder. This is a, what is this? This is a coaster from Anthropology. My friend Ethel got that for me a couple Christmases ago. Candle with a candle top, a vase, and then this little picture thing that my friend Kaylana got for me. Charger, lighter, another candle, some hand sanitizer, this little thingy, and some more pencils and paper. What the heck? Pencils, scissors, spoon, don't know. And then on here, this was supposed to be my vision board, but as you can see, it's not really visionary. Got some receipts up there, a list of questions I need to ask for when I go to my consultations, a bill I need to pay, all the classes I need to take, and a flyer about this internship that's coming up. I guess so then we'll move over here. This is where I keep my clothes and my TV and just all that other stuff, so we'll go closer. It's my trash can, fun. And then I have some sunflowers and a plant. The sunflowers are from my boyfriend. They're dying. He got them for me a couple weeks ago. And then this plant is from IKEA. And then this little tray from Ross. And I just keep my wallet and my keys here. And then I have my TV that I just got from Best Buy. It's 43 inches and it was only $150, which was great. Then I have some more plants over here. These are real. A spider plant, just the regular plant that you can't really kill, but I'm killing it anyway. And then some cute little bottles. And then I have camera supplies and another trash can. Remotes, Fire Stick remote, TV remote. And then this thing, I actually keep my clothes in it. It's from IKEA. And then I got these little square things from Target. And since I don't have a dresser, I use this as my dresser, and I just pull them out, and my clothes are in there. So yeah, and then at the bottom I've got some textbooks, I've got the Bible, some more decorative, what are those called? Bottles, and then there's a little A back there and a cactus. So that's cute. And you keep coming around. Yeah, I have my bed. This bed is also from my job, Dream Home Interiors. It's made by Liberty Furniture. It was only $250 because of my discount. But yeah, let's see. I got the comforter from where? Marshalls. These two decorative pillows from Marshalls. Then those are just regular pillows with the same cover as the duvet. Then this is a set just from Marshalls. These big pillows are from Home Goods. And then I have a fleece blanket because it's really cold. And I have this heated blanket that I got for Christmas from my sister, because it's also really cold. And I just keep the wire tucked into the footboard of my bed right there. Then here's my nightstand, which I also got from my job. It's really a end table that's supposed to go like in the living room, but I got it because it matched my desk, so that's why, duh. And on it, I have a picture of me and my boyfriend. This is us on the beach in St. Augustine. I know, we're so cute. And then some fake plants, a cactus and a little plant from IKEA. I have my heater from Walmart, a lamp from Ross, came with a light bulb, which is really great. My glasses and a candle that I got for Christmas. It smells so good, from Bath and Body Works, and it's cranberry. So thank you. I'm out of breath. And then here's my charger. And then another window. How fun. And then we're back to this mirror right here. And then I have, the wall's messed up, but I have a whiteboard that I write my stuff down for the school year. School's on Monday, so that's gonna be filled up soon. And behind this I have a wallflower. It smells so good. Forget the flavor though, but I do. And then this is my closet, but we're not going to open it because it's really dirty in there. Oh, I forgot to talk about these. These are 3 little printouts that I got from Etsy. I bought them from this girl. Oh my gosh, they're so expensive. It was like $30 for the prints, and then I had to get them printed, which was another $20. Then I had to get the frames, which were $10 each, which was another $30. So it was like $369. $90 I spent just to have these 3 things hung up on my wall. And my bed sheets were pink at first, but now they're not. So now it doesn't even match, but that's besides the point. So yeah, that's my room. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about where I got anything, or if you want to see a closet tour, just comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.